Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Stay Motivated with Prem. In today's video, I am going to reveal few of the secrets that will help you understanding the digestion system. You know, our body is so terrific, such a brilliant gift of the God, that if anything bad happens with our body, it automatically has the power to recover using our prana shakti, our internal power, the power of the soul. If our hand is broken, the doctor ties the hand on the neck, and in that plaster there is no medicine. But the prana shakti has the power, the soul has the power to recover automatically. And our broken hand is attached again after a month or two. If we have a scratch on our hand, if we have some wound, that is also automatically healed after a few days. But what about stomach? You have been suffering from a stomach disease for months together, for years together, even though there is no automatic healing, no automatic curing of your stomach. Don't you think your stomach should also heal automatically? The problem should resolve automatically? Why it's not happening? It's a matter of serious concern. During my investigation, I came to know various secrets. And the first secret is, if you are giving rest to a particular part of your body, the entire prana shakti, the entire soul power is focused to heal the damaged part. But the body needs rest. So you must have realized that if anyone has fallen ill, if someone is suffering of jaundice, someone is suffering from fever, suffering of loose motion, so the doctor advises him to take rest. So when the body is in rest condition, the entire soul power, prana shakti, focuses on a particular damaged or diseased part of the body to heal it automatically. Similarly, when our hands are broken, legs are broken, the doctor advises us to take rest. If we keep walking during that period of our life, our body will never recover. Our broken hand will never be joined. Similarly, our stomach, most of the doctors advises that if you have a gastric problem, keep eating something all the time every 2 hours. Have a small food instead of one large lunch session or food session. Have a different session in every 2 months. So you tell me yourself that if your engine, the stomach, running all the time for 24 hours, when you are giving the time to stomach to heal? The stomach will not heal automatically if it is not given proper rest. Every 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, we are consuming something and we are not giving rest to our stomach. You know, if you have to digest the grains like chawal, rice, chapati, bread, or any grains, it takes 16 long hours, 16 to 18 long hours to digest, starting from the mouth till the rectum, till the time it goes out. 18 hours. The entire process. starting from going into the stomach, then going into small intestine, then going to the large intestine, and our small intestine having a 5 meter of length, and food has to travel 5 meters, and it takes a long time to digest. And in those 18 hours, we eat 4 times. So once the one process is still on, the second process continues. We are not giving any rest. Out of the 24 hours, our engine, our large intestine, our small intestine, stomach, liver, pituitary gland, everything is working throughout. Whenever we are sleeping also. That is the reason our stomach is not recovering. So the first secret in today's video I'll share is to give rest to our stomach. So the first thing that we have to improve is taking 15 to 16 hours of rest to our stomach. Out of 24 hours, eat twice and thrice, but give 15 to 16 hours of rest to the stomach. Don't eat anything for this period. And it is very easy. When I started following these instructions through my investigation, I thought it's very difficult to keep fasting, especially when you are suffering of gastritis. Nobody suggests you to do fast. But in fact, this fast gives us rest to our body. Understand the concept that I have explained, that our body is having the sole power to recover automatically. Try it. So I thought of taking early dinner. So I take dinner by 6:30, and dinner will be very soft food, especially raw food. I have connected myself to the nature. So I consume kakadi or vegetable soup or sweet potato, roasted sweet potato. Or I can take some fruit which is not having any juice, like papaya. So these foods are such that it will get digested in 4 to 5 hours. They are not heavy like grains. So by 10 o'clock in the night, my stomach will be ready to heal. It won't be working. And from night 10 o'clock till morning 9 o'clock, I am giving 11 hours. I am not eating anything. So I take a very light breakfast the next day 9 o'clock in the morning. So I'm giving 10 to 11 hours for my stomach to automatically heal and get rid of all these abdominal problems. So if you are one of the sufferer who is suffering from gastric problem, the first thing you do is taking early dinner by 6 to 6:30, and if you feel that you are hungry by 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, if you are taking too much time to sleep, then there is a way out. By 8 o'clock, you can soak some chia seeds, 2 spoons of chia seeds. You can Google out. There are the links available on the Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere. You can buy the chia seeds from the online stores or from your grocery shop. And so you soak those chia seeds for 2 hours in the lukewarm water, and after getting soaked for 2 hours, you dilute in a glass of water, having a little bit of lemon and a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. And if you consume by 8 o'clock, you will not feel hungry for next 3 hours until the time you will go for a sleep. Generally, we have a problem if we have a habit of heavy eating in the night. If we do not consume heaviness, if we do not carry a kg of weight in our stomach, we don't feel sleepy. So all those problems will be resolved, and our body will give different reactions for the first week. if you change your lifestyle. So the first thing I am asking you to change your lifestyle, and then I'll come to diet in the next part of my video. So do the first thing, start taking chia seeds at 8 o'clock, dinner at 6 to 6:30. Chia seeds to be taken only after soaking for at least 2 hours. It may be 4 hours also. So 2 spoon of chia seeds in a cup of water. Take 1 cup of water, and chia seeds are full of fiber and calcium. So fiber will make a layer, and it will extract all the toxins from your stomach, and it will make you to extract all the toxins from your body. So it is also going to heal you. Not only it will help you to reduce your weight, reduce your fat, but also will help you to gain a calcium, bone density, fiber, and a very good digestive system. And it will also help you not to feel hungry. So this is the first thing. When you get up in the morning, you again may feel hungry by 7:30 because you have to be in the fasting till 9 o'clock. So in the morning you can take juice. So obviously you need to buy a juicer. So you can take different juice, but the juice should not be of fruits. Rather, this juice should be from a vegetable, because if you take fruits in an empty stomach, it is going to create acid. But if you are taking a vegetable juice, it is going to detox your body. So by 7:30 you can take 1 glass of juice having 250 ml to 300 ml of capacity. And this juice should come out of petha, that is called ash gourd. It can be from the cucumber, it can be from beetroot, it can be from bottle gourd, it can be from spinach. It is better if you change the juice every day. That means every vegetable is having its own ingredients, own nutrients capacity. Some are rich in vitamin A, some in vitamin C, some in minerals, some in calcium, some in vitamin A. So if you are changing every day your juice pattern, actually you are giving a balanced diet to your body. Your body will have all types of nutrients through the different juice. So Monday you can take petha juice or ash gourd juice. Tuesday you can take coconut water. Wednesday you can take spinach juice. Thursday you can take cucumber juice. Friday you can take beetroot juice. So by this way you will be balancing your body nutrients. And obviously by 9 o'clock you are going to take your light breakfast. So how to take the light breakfast and what to do after the breakfast, that I'll be following in the next video. Today's session is only focused from dinner till early morning. So I'll tell you that when you take the dinner in the evening by 6:30, you have to go for a walk for 20 minutes minimum. It can be more than that, but minimum 20 minutes of walk, so that whatever you digest is settled properly and comes into action for a digestion in well within time. So make a habit of walking for 20 minutes. Take your watch, come out of your house and walk for 20 minutes after taking dinner. And in the morning, make a habit of waking up at 5 o'clock. Yeah, it's difficult, but you have to make a habit if you want to cure yourself. Wake up at 5 o'clock, get out of your house by 5:15, 5:20 and make a 1 hour of walk. Early morning, walking for 1 hour. Minimum 45 minutes, maximum you can go for a 1 hour walk. And after that, make a habit of doing exercise, yoga for 30 minutes. I'll be posting the video for yoga to recover from constipation and all abdominal issues in my videos. But till the time, you can do your free exercises, any yoga from the YouTube. So many yogas are available. Make a habit of doing workout for 1.5 hours. 1 hour walking and half an hour for exercise. So you have sufficient time in the morning. If you feel you don't have the time, you have to wake up some more early. You can adjust your time, but exercise and yoga is very important if you want to recover yourself. And by the time you finish your exercise, you will feel lots of hunger and you have a very beautiful juice by 7:30. So you can have a juice, and you can go for your daily rituals, and you even to your offices if you have, and wait for 9 o'clock, 9:30 to take the breakfast. What to take in the breakfast, I'll be explaining in the next video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly like, subscribe and share this video to as much as people if you feel they are also suffering of gastrointestinal problems. Kindly share with your loved ones. Thank you so much.